The classic delicacy tofu skin sheets is a traditional soy product that is thin as paper and slightly yellow in color. It is ideal for cooking when made into tofu sheet knots. After thawing, wash with warm water and make into tofu sheet knots. Then blanch in boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes and remove to drain. Finally, cook in a soup pot for 10 to 15 minutes and it is ready to eat.
After the tofu skin sheets is stewed in the soup, it fully absorbs the broth, resulting in a combination of the rich soybean aroma and chewy texture in the mouth, as well as the strong fragrance of the soup base. This tofu skin sheets contains a wealth of high-quality protein, making it a healthy and low-fat choice for ingredients.
It can be cooked in a variety of ways, such as hot pot, braising, and stir-frying. It is an essential ingredient for the famous Jiangnan cuisine.
腌笃鲜
Things you love against you.
Jack King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.